Hi folks, and welcome for this video presentation I'm going to give you today on this 185BH. It's a Coachmen product, Nano series, and it's a 2019 of course. It's also an ultralight segment that's a little bit wider than your typical 7, so you got 7.5 foot of width to you, so you'll be able to enjoy having some more interior space. We'll start on the inside and we'll finish on the outside. So being able to put everything in a compact space like this, and that short 18 foot, you've got a bed that goes sideways up front, but it's a nice larger bed with a mattress. And then you do have your booth dinette that can fit 4 snugly here, which is nice if you have the 2 children and 2 adults. You've got the storage area above that, and also above the bed area with that front window that you can put a shade on. So you've got a lot of light coming in through that area if you need to. You also have your kitchen and everything nicely set up with 2 burners, large burners, a 60/40 sink. And then you've also got all this storage above here. And you also have the double door refrigerator, which I like real well, giving you plenty of storage there for all the supplies you need on a nice long weekend trip with the kids. You got your microwave down below and the furnace there, and they put in the storage up here as well for things. And your beds, your bunks, have nice thick padded cushions there and plywood bases for it. So it makes it really nice and comfortable. They really feel nice. In the bathroom is going to end up being, you've got your medicine cabinet above there, the toilet, your shower on the left over there. So in this area, to make everything roomy and have all the space they need, the sink is going to be your primary one here in the kitchen. They don't have one up in that area, but if you need a travel trailer that has one in the bathroom, I'm sure we have many of the brands that Guaranty keeps, so we can show you one that has that. As we go outside to the patio, nice big patio, push button awning there, a little bit of LED accent lights to the speakers that are outside here. That grab handle's nice to have. Little shock on the door that held that, kept it open so it doesn't blow back on you when you're trying to get groceries loaded in and out. Heavy duty jacks at all 4 corners, your spare tire. The ceiling in there is a one-piece vacuum laminated, also the side walls, the ends, and the floor. Make it really nice, lightweight but strong. You also have storage area in there, your outside shower, your black tank flush, which is another nice feature to have, and a little bit larger tires to deal with this type of setup and everything, a little more ground clearance. And also you're going to have a nice cap that we talked about earlier on the front with that window that they design into it, and some LED lighting accents, your 5-gallon tanks. One thing about an ultralight is that we carry a lot of brands. This is one of our many that we have from Coachmen. Coachmen's been around for 53 years, great company. Guaranty's been working now almost on our 53rd year as well. So great relationship with Coachmen. And if you have any questions about this one, at the end of the video you'll see a phone number, and you can look me up and ask all the questions you want and have fun. We have a lot of products, a lot of great products, and it's the right time to buy right now and enjoy this beautiful weather we have. Right now, if you have any more thoughts on it, again, give me a buzz, Tom Peterson. Remember, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.